Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can make money online since many people are looking for ways to make money online. So now I'm going to show you how you can make money just by reading books or doing the voiceovers for people. And don't worry, because it can work even if you don't use American English, you can use any type of English that you know. And before we start, please like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now, let me show you the website that will be helping us to make like $1,000 per day. So the website is called voices.com. So when you go to voices.com, so you can see that it is a platform whereby people got to find people to do the voiceovers for them, and also you can pay someone to do the voiceover for you. You can do the voiceover for them and they be paying you. You can be paid a lot of money. So let's get started. All you have to do is to check out the website. As you see here is how it works. You just sign up. You have to create account in seconds, invite members of your team to collaborate with you. Also you can post a job. You can hire and pay or get your files so people will be highly in so that we can do the voiceover for them and they will be paying us. So let's continue. All you have to do is clicking on sign up. They will ask you your email or enter a Gmail account or email, then you click on continue. So you have to write your full names, then you will create yourself a password. So here you want to choose if you want to hire for a project or if you want to work as a narrator inside. So to enter that, just clicking on agree to continue. Then you click sign up. So here they will ask you to verify your email. You just have to go to your Gmail account. You will see the message that they have sent you just to confirm your email. Click on it, then scroll down where there is verify your email, click on it. So you can see they will redirect you to this page where you have to put your address. Then your city, your country. You have to enter your personal additional info. So after that you have to click on submit. So here you can see, they will show you how to get started. So you can see the process. You complete your profile. Then you click next, receive job invites and respond. Then when you click next you can see you get paid. Then click next so you can build your online reputation. And also select your services and skills. So here you're going to select what you'll be doing for this. It's voiceover. And so the voiceover skills can select animation, audiobooks, documentaries, e-learning, and online ad. You can select whichever you can manage. And when you're done, you can add another service or just click on Save and Next. So here, you can finish your profile by adding your pictures or something. But let's go to View Jobs to see the types of jobs you can do and get money. So you wait for it to load. So as you can see, this is very important. So these are people who are hiring people to do the voiceover. You can see they can pay you $250 to $499. I see $100 to $249. I see $100. But you can see that it is $100 in 30 seconds. Meaning that for every 30 seconds, you can make $100. You can see it keeps on going and see this is $550 for only 2 minutes. Can see the descriptions that they put. So all you have to do is select a job that you want to do. Then you will be getting money from that jobs. You just have to record yourself. You don't need to use microphones, you can use your phone. Then when you have made money you can go to payment and see the money that you have made. That's pretty much it. All you have to do is complete tasks and then get money. Can see that today there is 100 jobs. But every day they list new jobs. So meaning that you can do multiple jobs. Then you'll be getting paid. Can see there are so many of them, make $749 now. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Catch you guys next time.